How to install or download Play Store on your iPhone. The short and simple answer for this question will be you cannot do it. I know you guys are disappointed from my answer. I'm just trying to save your time because there are a lot of fake videos on the YouTube or in the internet which claims that you can install or download Play Store. But the thing is that even if you somehow manage to install or download Play Store on an iPhone, there is no use because the games and the apps won't be supported. You can simply go to your Safari and open the Play Store website. As you can see, I have opened Play Store website. This is Instagram. This is totally Play Store. As you can see, Play Store on your iPhone. But don't get fooled. This is simply the Play Store website. Just search for Play Store and the website. It comes up. All right. So many of the YouTubers, others will show you this, and you get fooled by them. I'm just making this video so that you don't waste your time. So this is pretty much it, but there is a way. There is a way, but that is not authentic, and I won't recommend you to do that way. The only way is to install Android on your iPhone. Of course, that is not a genuine thing, or that is not will recommend you to do. That's the only way. You need to install Android on your iPhone. That I won't recommend you to do. This is very very dangerous for your device. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope this video helpful, and I hope I was able to save your time, energy, and money. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.